Hello, my name is Kylie Dom, and I'm going to talk about location 22.4813 to negative 43.5158. Where is 22.4813, negative 43.5158? It is located in the middle of the northern Atlantic Ocean. It's in between Africa and North America. The nearest plate boundary would be the divergent plate boundary. It's about 96.43 miles to the west of my location. The subtype is ocean divergent boundary. The ocean province. My location is landed on a mid-oceanic ridge. Taking a look at the picture, you can see that there are a few earthquakes, small ones, but this makes it active. I believe there is a rift valley around the area. The sediment type. As you can see, there is only one sediment type, and that is the Claricus OZ. This is a calcium carbonate mud that is formed from the hard parts of the bodies of free-floating organisms. This shows that in this specific area, there was a lot of free-floating organisms that ended up becoming mud and sticking to the floor. These are my citations. Thank you for listening about my location. Bye.